This video will focus on doing a bulk change from a record set. To make a bulk change from a record set, open an existing record set. Click Find, change the Search Database setting to Record Set. Enter the search query. To view all of the current library's record sets, along with any Buckles system-wide record sets, type an asterisk here. Search settings can be adjusted and filters can be applied, just as with other Find tool searches. Either hit the magnifying glass or hit Enter in order to enter your search. Select the desired result. Either click the checkbox next to the desired item and click Open, or just double-click on the item itself. The record set will open. Note, bulk changes can only be performed on the current library's items or patrons. Click Actions, click Bulk Change. A permission override prompt will appear. Enter the library's supervisor override username and password and click Override to continue. You will need to see the library director for that username and password information. Once you've entered the permission override when prompted, an item record bulk change workform will open. This will generate a report which is automatically named by Leap. Change the name in the bulk change report field if desired. If you want, an error record set can be created. Click the checkbox and then name it if desired. The item record bulk change workform will have 5 tabs: Location, Circulation, Call Number, Blocks and Notes, and Miscellaneous. Location will allow changes to owning branch, shelf location, assigned branch, home branch, collection, and temporary location. Circulation will allow changes to circulation status, fine code, material type, statistical code, loan period, renewal limit, holdable, and will allow changes to limits on pickup at, patrons from this library and branches, patrons from this branch only, preferred borrowers, as well as allowing changes to non-circulating, do not float, loanable outside system, and do not mail to patron. Call number will allow changes to call number scheme, suffix, prefix, volume, classification, copy, cutter, and use call number fields from BibRecord. Note, these changes will replace the current settings, not prepend or append them. Blocks and notes will allow changes to library assigned block, free text block, public note, non-public note, and physical condition. Buckles does not use public notes. Click the checkbox next to the desired text box or note to activate the box, and then write the desired note. Then, for everything except library assigned block, select Append to add the note after any existing text, Prepend to add the note before any existing text, or Replace to add the note and remove any existing text. Library assigned blocks include 90 days overdue, check contents, damaged, missing pieces, and see note. Miscellaneous will allow changes to bib control number, display in pack, and item barcodes. The item barcodes option can only be used for records that don't already have barcodes. Any drop-down field that has not been edited will say no change. When finished making bulk changes, click Update Items. If any errors are encountered during the bulk change, a message will appear that says, "Bulk change processing completed with errors. Consult the bulk change report for details. Report is available for download." The report will be available to download from the browser. If you chose to create an error record set, that record set will be created containing all the records that encountered errors during the bulk change. Error record set errors might include trying to bulk change the circulation status of checked out items in a record set. Items must be checked in before changes can be made to their circulation status. Or trying to bulk change an item in the current library's record set that belongs to another library. Examples of edits that might be made in a bulk change include switching items from new status to regular with the appropriate loan periods and renewal limits applied, changing items with hold restrictions to remove those restrictions, withdrawing items, changing summer reading books to summer status with the appropriate renewal limits and hold restrictions as needed, recategorizing items to create a new section within the library, for example, parenting or travel section, labeling items that will be on display for a long time as display, changing items to in storage, adding a prefix to the call number, and assigning statistical codes. If you have changed your mind and you don't want to make changes to this record set, click cancel. It'll take you back to the item record set, click close again to close it, and you'll have fully closed all of the record sets you were working on. So now you know how to make a bulk change to an item record set.